I'm Peps.
I'm Julina.
And on this episode, we're going to be checking out her farmhouse and cooking lunch.
Let's go.
Oh yes, I've just rocked up to Jolina's house. This is a little shop here where she sells some stuff. I'll probably just help the locals out.
Hello guys, come in, let me show you around. So this is our rice, which we harvested on our rice field before, like a month ago.
How long is this rice going to last you?
Months.
Months? Just months?
Yeah,
Maybe
months.
1 week? Could you eat lots of rice?
No, months.
You reckon months?
It's months.
Okay.
Months.
So this is going to last 10 months, you reckon?
Until we were gonna have our harvest again.
Why is the rice like this?
Because there's typhoon that time.
So this is no good, this rice?
Yeah, it's still okay though, but it's kind of like
Does it still have the
it gets
skins,
wet.
skins on there?
Yeah, but you need to put it on the sun first.
Oh, and dry it. That's why they dry it on the
Yeah.
side of the road. Okay.
So this is the lunch room, and we have a cat. It's two cat, but now it's
You have many cats?
yeah, just two. And then this is my laptop.
You have two
and
cats.
there's yeah, two cats. So as you can see, we still don't have any door yet on our room, but
How many doors or ceiling hasn't been put in yet, but you're getting there, right?
not yet because we don't have budget yet.
Was your house built
Like 5 years ago, I think.
5 years ago?
Yeah.
So you're still getting stuff finished?
Yeah, still not yet because we still have no budget for it. Like,
Yes.
yeah.
How did they get all the building materials here?
Truck.
A truck, I mean.
Truck, yeah.
Oh, that would have been a hard mission getting down your road.
Yeah, they were gonna bring it. And we got motorbike, so my dad bring it.
Put the bricks on the motorbikes.
Yeah.
Now this is your bedroom.
No, not the bricks.
You
just
don't put the
cement.
bricks on there.
Just the cement.
This is your bedroom.
Yeah.
You haven't put the doors on yet.
Okay.
And
Come in. Yeah.
this is your desk where you study.
Uh-huh.
Very important fan.
Yeah, a fan. This one is the video kit. Like
Karaoke machine.
Yeah, video machine.
It's very
It's the
popular.
same.
So you get lots of beers and then you...
Yeah, if there's some like parties like celebration, so my cousins, my family go here.
Everyone comes over and sings.
Yeah, and
Karaoke is very popular.
Yep.
So that's her. She's got a sister that lives. We're not going to go in these rooms, but that's her sister's room and her parents' room up there. Do you want to tell us where your parents stay most of the time?
my parents stay on the hut, so they didn't stay here. So it was just me and my sister.
So there's a hut on the other side of the river,
Yeah.
and I'll be able to show you a bit of a drone footage of that because I flew the drone over there. But that's where parents stay most of the time because they're always out working in the rice fields and yeah, working very hard.
Okay, so this is my
Kitchen. This is my kitchen.
Okay, so this is my kitchen. I'll show you around. Okay, this is where we wash the dishes and wash everything. Yeah. And yeah, this is where we eat dinner sometimes. And there
We do the cooking.
cook it. Yeah, we do some cooking.
This is your side door to go out to the bathroom and
Yeah.
whatnot. This is her lock.
This is the lock.
Doubles as a
Yeah.
protection. This is how she gets her water. And it comes from an underground well.
Oh, the the chicken is inside already. Okay, get it. Let me help it.
I have to carry. The chicken's gotten in the house. silly laughing farm girl, chasing the chickens out of your kitchen. So obviously there's no running water to the house here, so if she wants to do the dishes or cook or anything, they need water, go outside to the bore and fill a bucket up and then bring it inside and then wash the dishes that way. And over here, no one uses hot water to wash dishes, it's all done with cold water. These plastic cupboards, they're pretty common in Filipino houses too. She's got another one in here. And keep everything. I have gas for cooking. I'll probably just do most of it on charcoal. This is one of the original beds, bamboo beds. Very uncomfortable. Do you want to show me where your bathroom is?
Okay, come on. What the? This is a bathroom. So there's no roof because of the typhoon, but you know, there's no water inside. Yeah.
So you come here, this is where you take a bath.
Yeah.
So you fill the water up, well it's empty, and this is the toilet. You take a bath in here.
Yep. Yep.
And the water gets fed through this hose here. From over there, electric pump. And then you fill that up and use like a bucket to shift it over yourself.
I think two. 2 cups.
Are you burning plastic to light a fire? Highly toxic.
Ana? Wala? Wala pa? Okay. Meka lang.
What sort of fish do you have there?
Not fish.
Is this the best fish to eat in the Philippines? Delicious?
Yep.
And how are you going to cook it?
First marinate it and then, yeah, fry it. You're hungry. Good na. Indian.
They cook the mixed fish.
Indian. Indian.
It's so f***ing hot in this house. It's just hot in general in this area, isn't it?
Just a little bit. Ah, no, that's good.
This fish, if you come to the Philippines, is very good fish. And some of their sauce as well. Hey! Your fish is getting all cold and eaten. Oh, good. All out of fish. I was going to fix it up. I'm just going to replace these bits on here because they're all... Yeah. Her driveway starts just before this, but it's people that live further down. You can see the condition of the track. Would not be fun to pass every day. Probably why these guys ride buffalo. Hello. That's so cool to see coming from Australia. You do not see anything like that. And this is just normal day-to-day life for these people. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Give me a pat. Come on. Hello. It's okay. Look at these geese. Please don't bite me again. I was going to go across the road here. This is her grandma's house, but she passed away about 7 years ago. Now this is just all abandoned here. I don't know if someone's squatting in there or... It's a suitcase, someone's doing some travelling. Looks like someone's sort of half living in there, I would say. Looks like another bore just over there, and then you've got sugarcane fields up behind there. We're going to go a walk about 10 minutes across where Mum and Dad stay in the bamboo hut. So it should be good.
You like adventure, right? You keep on whining.
Are these your buffalo? Yeah. They are? Or did you name them?
No name.
You didn't name them?
No, that's my dog.
Oh, she's wallowing in the hole there.
should hold this, okay? You should hold here.
I'll be right.
You'll be alright?
Oh,
Come
what
on.
have you got me into here? Look at this. I'm definitely gonna go ass up through here. Oh. Ah.
You'll be alright. Here, there long.
Someone's dirty stinking nappy washed up. Oh, I'm regretting my decision now. 100%. But we're gonna go anyway. Look at the rubbish washed up in the tree. I hate to think what's upstream in this river too. Oi. You alright back there? Yep.
Pinabayaan mo siya madanlog sa.
Don't! Get it there. Yeah. Don't. There's a hole.
There's a hole there.
Yeah, here.
Oh, I stepped in one just there too.
Here? Sorry, I forgot. I forgot.
You forgot about me and you just took off. Why don't we just go that? Oh mate. Is Grandma alright back there? You okay? I don't even know where that lady come from. She's just following us.
Good adventure, huh? Good adventure.
She's still talking back there.
Yeah.
Just laughing at me probably. Mocking me. Stupid white boy. That's another buffalo hole there, isn't it? I'll push you in there.
I'll push you in there.
We must be close. No more river crossings?
Nope. Okay.
So much rubbish in there. You can see it all stuck into the bamboos. It's bamboozled. Hello.
Hello, baby.
Hello.
Huh?
Did this all get knocked down in the typhoon?
Yeah.
Oh, the DVD player's not going to work. Oh, Tino typhoon done all this damage.
Yeah.
Oh no. Where is your house? Just up here. Is that jackfruit? That's your house. Or Tino destroyed everything here by the looks. Bye. Bye bye. Nice to meet you. See ya. You probably so Tino came through and done a bit of destruction. They will rebuild though. You took me the hard way and there's an easy way. You're a little jerk. So there's probably an easy way that doesn't involve crossing rivers, getting knee deep in mud and cow shit.
You told me you like adventure, and I was bringing you some adventure right now.
Thank you for that. Alright, so that's her parents' other little shack there. They obviously stay over there most of the time. Because Jolene does like to talk a lot, so you know, they just a bit of rest and retreat over here.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's not all buffaloes. They do have a tractor and some equipment here. Actually nice and cool under this bamboo hut. Breeze coming through here. Up on the hill. Is this where your parents sleep in there?
Yeah.
And they've both gone out to town.
To get some
Supplies, probably get some beer. I could use a beer right now. So they obviously just live here and then they'll go to work out in the sugar canes and rice fields. Day off today.
they will gonna go home.
They're gonna go home
Yeah.
to their families
In the
today.
afternoon, yep.
And then what? They come back on Monday. Where did this dog come from? Gonna walk back to the house now. We're taking the easier way. She just wanted to test me before. On the other side of the world, walking through buffalo shit. 7 different types of buffalo shit. Come on, dog. Go. Go. Go on, go. Go on, go. Go on, in you get. Sorry, dogs.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Good. See? See?
Come
you
on,
didn't-
let's go. Come on, let's go.
No worries.
Come on.
They were gonna go. They were gonna go.
They're not gonna go.
Don't talk, I'm filming. Don't talk, I'm filming. Very loud.
They're coming.
They're coming. See? See this?
They made it.
Yeah. On your back.
Oh, hello. You didn't even get wet.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed checking out my house. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
So it's my last day here, and
I think we should do this.
I just offered to buy her. I'm stocking up her shop for her so she can make some money. All of this stuff. It's gonna be less than like 20 bucks, but we should be able to make some money off it.
What do you mean?
And she's gonna carry it all back on her scooter. So it's gonna be a you problem.
It's alright.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Alright, she's all loaded up with her groceries for her shop. I'll see her again sometime. Bye.